Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by eliminating the obvious sources of imbalance. First, make sure both AirPods and the case have sufficient charge. Low power can reduce volume. Then check your device audio balance in Settings Accessibility Audio/Visual and set it centered. Next, remove the silicone tips and inspect the speaker mesh. Use a soft brush or 70% isopropyl swab to clear wax and lint. Once done, reattach tips and test volume to see if levels equalize. If cleaning didn't fix it, you move to software and connection fixes. First, toggle Bluetooth off and on, then reconnect the AirPods to rule out transient pairing glitches. If that fails, forget the AirPods on your device and repair them. This clears cache settings that can skew levels. For a fuller reset, place AirPods in the case, close lid, wait 30 seconds, then hold the setup button until the status light flashes amber then white. After repairing, test both sides. To conclude, verify whether the problem is the AirPods or your phone by testing them with a second device. You'll quickly know which side is at fault. Make sure firmware and your device's iOS are up to date, because audio fixes are sometimes included in updates. If one AirPod remains quieter after all these steps, contact Apple support or visit an authorized service provider. A hardware fault or speaker damage may require repair or replacement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.